2011 they opened it.
Yeah. It's a very nice looking stadium.
Oh yeah, it's real nice.
Then here, of course, he knows the rest of the FAU campus.
Right, and this was my stomping ground also. Both of ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the new overpass they've just recently put in on Dixie. Here you get a nice good perspective of just how flat Florida really is. Of course you had already known that, but now you get to see it.
Yeah.
A little bit more of the intercoastal here, cut in a nice straight paths. Little canals, everybody's got their own waterfront property. On our left, this is the Hillsborough Inlet, obviously allowing access from the ocean to the intercoastal there. Quite a few traffic boats coming in and out. The Hillsborough Lighthouse sitting right on the point. As we come around here, you'll be able to see the reef nice and clear. The water's sparkly clear with a nice bright sunny day today. You can see the reef and the channel that's been cut in it, and just how accurate those markers are. There's the lighthouse again, some people up on top. You can wave to them, they might wave back. This is the Hillsborough Mile, or Millionaire Mile as it's called. A couple big houses. This one on the left that's under construction is Adam Sandler's house that he's been building for a year or so now. Deerfield Fishing Pier sticking out into the water just in front of us. As we come inland here, we're going to go over this white building with the green windows, and it has private rooftop swimming pools on it, up in the penthouses. Here on our right is Boca Raton Inlet, which leads right into Lake Boca Raton. On our right here, the big pink tower with the pink buildings underneath it, the resort, Boca Raton Resort.